Hey guys, because I'm going to show you how to install a double din stereo in your Air, which is the 2014 Vellfire Air, also known as Toyota Venza. It was based on when I got it from a long time ago, 2019, because I have a customizable one because I sold it and I bought another, yeah, and it's my personal car. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install now. So let's get started to the intro. First, remove the panel clips for your phone itself. Then this makes it easy. Oh. Now remove the screws and remove that will remove a control for your climate. Once you have to be disconnected for placing it. When to remove the panel, just move the radio itself or not. Just give me a minute. Once you remove the radio, it may remove itself, and make sure to disconnect everything when the hazard light goes off. And remove the radio itself before you unplug it all. Just make it life easier. So here's the issues of my Venza. You see the bezels can't refit well because there are no gaps between, because I made my 3D printer to fit and easy, and it fits itself. And once slip it in and add to put the faceplate on. Simple. Let's install back on. I'm just going to power on the accessory. Don't start the car itself with the engine. Let's turn it on. Oh, okay. What? Oh, wow. Yeah, I think this is working now because touchscreen works. Yeah, everything works. I'm surprised to see it. Well, I haven't done the backup camera itself, but I don't even know to plug in the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But yeah, it's only Apple CarPlay itself. But I had to start the kit itself for a minute before I was done for making that, because it still works. But hey, let's probably get out. I'm also gonna turn off the car itself. There we go, it's off. Now let's start the kit. Now I had to connect the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto kit, and then back and so, and then put the tray to put the phone back on, and push it and clip the on yourself, and you're done. And also don't forget about the gear shifter knob for your gear shifter. It's done. Let's put on the brake before it starts. Wow, I can't believe it worked. So here's a nice view. We got a radio, USB. We haven't unplugged it in yet because we have two phone apps: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. which is pretty awesome. And we got Bluetooth audio, which is for my phone, which is I Bluetooth connected, and the camera, which is I'm gonna do it for soon. Hopefully, set up and everything. And yeah, you could probably go to this radio icon, bam, go back. Oh, don't ignore it. If I shift to reverse, yeah, it doesn't appear. But I will have to do videos soon, hopefully, when I start the backup camera. See you guys. Goodbye.